Welcome to Lakeview one bedroom at Bay Lake Tower. And I'm going to start with what is probably the best feature of this room, a second full bathroom in the one bedroom. It's a full shower bath, toilet, sink, everything. The only other one bedroom at DVC that has two bathrooms is at Kidani Village. So here we have the kitchen. And we have this really nice seating area. You could probably fit 5 around here. There's a little stool on the end. Nice big TV. This is all storage under here. This room sleeps 5. There's a king bed in the master bedroom. This couch here is a sleeper sofa that will sleep 2. And then this is a sleeper chair that sleeps 1. And people think it's more comfortable than the couches, but I haven't tried it. Nice big windows, lots of light, nice contemporary artwork. I love this with the monorail and the contemporary in Bay Lake Tower. Great kitchen. I really like this kitchen. This kitchen island is so nice to have, and then you can sit 2 more people here. Like the Space Mountain artwork too. A nice roomy one bedroom. We have a full-size fridge with an ice maker, full stove. I'm going to come back in a little bit and show you everything that's in the cabinets. But first, I'm going to take you into the bedroom. Oh, right here we have a washer and dryer. And they provide you with laundry soap. And then in here, we have the master bedroom with a king bed, 2 nightstands, which we love, a chair. This is another entrance to your balcony, and I'll show you that in a bit. Desk with a phone, smaller TV, more storage. This is for your luggage. It has some more storage. Full-length mirror. There's a closet with your iron and ironing board, safe, plenty of hangers. And here's the master bath. You have this huge jetted tub, and these blinds open so you can see into the bedroom. Cinderella's castle artwork. Nice big vanity, plenty of storage. Here we have the toilet and shower room with this nice walk-in shower, a seat, and it has a rainfall shower head and then a regular shower head. Very nice. Okay. So I'm going to pause. And I'm going to open all the kitchen cabinets so you can see everything that you get in your kitchen, and then I'll take you out on the balcony and show you what our lake view looks like. Okay, so I've opened the cabinets, and we're going to go through and show you everything that you get in a one-bedroom kitchen. They have these pull-out doors. They also have them in the studio that is your pantry storage. So here we have tongs, can opener, corkscrew, cooking and serving utensils. What is that? And a cheese grater. Wow. Plenty of silverware. Down under here we have extra paper towels, a cutting board, baking dish. Kind of dark under here, sorry. We got pots and pans, some frying pans. Under the stove we have broiling pan and racks. Up above the fridge, colander, mixing bowl, storage bowls, measuring cup, pitcher, baking dish, plenty of glassware, wine glasses, juice glasses, drinking glasses, disposable coffee cups. We have a little dishwashing basin here with your dishwasher detergent, stovetop cleaner, hand washing detergent, 4-slice toaster, ice bucket, drip coffee pot, some coffee. Up here we have dishes, normal dishes, and then here. You know, I don't know. I guess you could put a piece of pizza on it. I don't know. That's just. I haven't seen that at any other resort yet. And under the sink, you have your trash and recycling, fire extinguisher. Also has a garbage disposal. This is another one of those pull-out pantry racks. A microwave above the stove, full stove, and a dishwasher. Oh, there's also a DVD player in the rooms at Bay Lake Tower, and you can go down to the community hall and rent DVDs. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so now I'm going to take you out on our balcony and show you what this Lakeview room looks like. We're on the 3rd floor. And this is our view. We're overlooking the boat dock at the Contemporary, Bay Lake. And here's the Contemporary right here. And over here, here's your walkway that connects Bay Lake Tower and the Contemporary. It's on the 5th floor of Bay Lake Tower, and it connects to the 4th floor of the Contemporary, and that's where you can pick up your monorail and the restaurants and the stores and everything. It's super easy, really convenient. There's also a balcony door leading to the bedroom, and then I came in through the door in the living room. And you have 2 chairs and a little table. This is a really nice protected balcony. This is a nice view. There's a lot of Lakeview rooms at this resort. Actually, I think most of the rooms are considered Lakeview, so you could kind of be anywhere that faces the lake. And you know, it's a horseshoe-shaped building. So there's a lot of Lakeview rooms. Bay Lake Tower is the DVC resort that's closest to Magic Kingdom. It has the shortest walkway to get directly to Magic Kingdom, so that's nice. Also, the parking here is really convenient compared to a place like Boardwalk, which doesn't have the closest parking to the rooms. So this has a nice, easy parking lot. It can get full in the evenings, though. You're also right on the monorail loop, so you can take advantage of the other resorts on the monorail, like the Polynesian and the Grand Floridian. And you can also see the electrical water pageant every night at around 10 p.m. from most of the Lakeview rooms. Well, thank you for joining me on this tour of a 1-bedroom at Bay Lake Tower at Disney's Contemporary Resort. If you found this video helpful, if you could please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!